Hello, it's Wednesday, the 12th of October 2011, and I'm Martin Smith with the Daily Outlook from UFXBank. The US dollar traded mixed versus most of the major currencies over concern with the European debt crisis. Wall Street closed mixed as the Nasdaq advanced by 0.66% and the Dow fell by 0.15%. Crude oil climbed to its highest level in 2 weeks to close at $86.20 a barrel. However, gold fell by 0.6%, closing at $1,661 an ounce. Today, FOMC meeting minutes are expected. The euro closed unchanged versus most of the major currencies after Slovakia failed to pass the rescue plan. Troika said today that the IMF and the ECB will be transferring another package of $8 billion to Greece at the beginning of November. Trading below resistance level of 137 will keep the momentum of the pair negative. But if the pair breaks above this level, it may reach 140.60 again. Overall, the euro-dollar traded with a low of 135.64 and a high of 136.83. Today, ECB President Trichet is expected to speak. The British pound fell versus the US dollar after manufacturing production came out minus 0.3% worse than the expected minus 0.1%. The trend for the pair remains bearish if it maintains its resistance level of 157.30. But should the pair break, this may reach 159.50 again. Overall, the pound dollar traded with a low of 155.73 and a high of 156.68. The yen closed unchanged versus the US dollar and most majors. Core machinery orders came out better than expected at 11% versus 4.7% forecast. Technically, the dollar-yen is trading within a narrow range with no clear long-term trend. If the pair breaks below the 76 level, the trend will continue downward. Today, no major economic data is expected. Finally, Canada's dollar fell versus the greenback as concern that European officials may fail to halt the region's sovereign debt crisis, cut demand for currencies tied to growth, and that the contagion may well spread to banks. Housing starts came out 260,000, better than expected at 187,000. The trend for the pair is bearish if it maintains its resistance level of 103.30. According to the 2-hour chart, the pair has strong support at 102.50. Well, that's it from me. Be sure to visit us at UFXBank for simple, safe, secure trading.